I spy with my little eye the eagle. There he is. I don't know, you probably can't see him because it's like it's a speck in the sky. But there he is. That is a fucking bald eagle. And he's hunting. He's hunting right by that bridge I was under. He's hunting. Doing circles. He's circling the bridge I was under earlier. When I took part 2 of this friggin', I don't know what this is, bird documentary, impromptu. But there he be, soaring in the sea of clouds. It looks like he's alone. I don't see his girlfriend or anything. Or her girlfriend, I don't know. Don't like to be sexist or judgy. It's pretty amazing. He's getting further away, it seems. Alright. In conclusion, bye-bye.